Welcome. In the next few minutes, I will tell you more about how Bcengi transforms business travel connectivity. But first, a couple of questions. How does your company handle mobile connectivity when employees travel? Are they roaming internationally? Or are you buying eSIM one by one for every trip? Roaming is about 5 times more expensive than it needs to be. So switching away from that. Easy win. If you have ever used an eSIM, you know that you can buy a regular consumer one. For example, 7 or 30-day plan with a fixed number of gigabytes, say 10 gigabytes. So every time you travel, you're buying a new one or manually topping it up. If you only use 5 gigabytes out of 10, the rest is just wasted. It'll expire in 7 days. If you buy bulk eSIM for multiple people, you're getting separate plan per person and per trip. Just doesn't scale and too much management work. You are buying global or regional plans at fixed average price per gigabyte, which is typically a lot higher. More employees you have, less likely this works, so you would instead rely on them just expensing it. And you end up not really knowing what you're paying for. Are you paying for their gigabytes of TikTok? With Bcengi, each user gets one eSIM that stays active and reusable. You don't reissue it every time someone travels. You assign policies instead. For example, 5 gigabytes per day global valid forever policy. User activates once and will use everywhere. They can even use it as hotspot for their tablet and laptop. Creating them are easy. Just pick global, regional, or any number of countries. Specify limits, for example, weekly 20 gigabytes, and optionally set start and end dates. This can be used for one-time events like CES. These are the policies that you assign to your users. When you create a user, you simply assign a policy and that's it. With Bcengi, you only pay for what you use. Even though you might be using global policies, you are paying per country rates that are much lower. Let me show you. Here are our rates. You can always see what they are. We update them periodically, but you always know what you're paying for. As your users are using their eSIM, you can see at any time how much data and where. Their use is taken out of your balance. Your invoices are rolled up monthly for convenience. Now let's see how easy it is to activate for your user. I'm going to switch to another logged in user. All I have to do is scan this QR code from my Add eSIM screen in connection settings, and the eSIM is activated. That is all. 100% visibility and control for you, maximum usability for your users. That's a win-win. No contracts, no commitments. Just register and use. See it for yourself. Sign up at bcengi.com.